Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to reset the Lotus X app step by step. So let's get started. Now, if your LED lights aren't showing up or the app keeps failing to connect, don't panic. Most issues can be fixed quickly, so let's go through it. Step 1, you want to restart your Bluetooth and your phone. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on and restart your phone. This refreshes your connection and helps the app rediscover your lights. Next, you want to make sure your LED lights are powered on. Check that the power adapter is plugged in securely and that the controller box has power. Remember, Lotus Lantern uses Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi, so stay close to the controller. Next step, reset the LED controller. Unplug the LED power adapters for about 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. This soft resets the controller and often makes it discoverable again. And then you want to clear your app data. On Android, you want to clear your Bluetooth cache and the Lotus Lantern app cache. And on iPhone, you want to simply delete and reinstall the app to remove old connection data. Finally, you want to make sure no other device is connected. Lotus Lantern usually connects to only one phone at a time, so if someone else is paired, disconnect them first. Now follow these steps and your app should reconnect successfully. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.